Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to predict the next candlestick with candlestick psychology on OTC market. So let's start. This is GBP USD and this is OTC market. The trend is uptrend and we can see a bearish entry. We have the next level. Okay, now the market is at the level, and at this level we can see rejection also from buyers, and again there's a rejection also from buyers as well. So I'm going to place, okay, let me check where I'm going to place put option. I placed put option though the seller didn't touch the level, so we should expect a touch on this level before the buyers entered. But I saw a quick buyers entry. That means now the sellers will enter, or there must be rejection to close below my entry. So that's why I placed put option. Okay, so okay, because I can see sellers movement. Now there's a touch to this on this level, and a weak sellers. I'm going to place call option. So fast moments, I place call option here because of this level. The candle didn't cross the level, and this is a weak candle, so you should expect a buyer's entry. So that's why I place call option. Okay, so you should expect a buyer's entry, but because of fast moment I may lose this trade. So let me check what happened here. You can see strong rejections, strong rejections, strong rejections, strong rejections. It means there must be a strong rejection on this candle as well, but because of fast moment I may lose this trade. You can see the buyers entered very strongly. We have the next level here. Now we can see the buyers cross it, so we should expect a retracement. I'm going to place put option. I place put option here because there must be a retracement after this level, on this level. Okay, yes, there must be a retracement, and again the market is at the seller's area. The buyer is at the seller's area in Marubozu candle, so we should expect a retracement on this level. Okay, so that's why I place put option. So let's see what will happen. I think they will retrace on this level. So if the sellers break the level, the seller will go more down. Okay, now we can see the rejection also from buyers. The sellers broke the level. I'm going to place put option. I place put option here because the sellers broke the level and a new low, and this is a reversal candlestick, so we should expect a seller's entry. So that's why I place put option. Okay, so and again this is seller's area, so there must be rejection from sellers on this level if the buyers will enter. Okay, you can see the rejection from sellers on this level. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Now we see the sellers entered. We see the sellers entered, and again we can see weakness of sellers here. Still the sellers entered, and again I'm going to place put option. I place put option still because the seller still entered, so this is a sign that the seller will still go more down. So that's why I place put option. At least they will be rejected. I think the buyers want to go more up. They will be rejected from this level. Okay, so let's see what will happen. And this will be my last trade. So this will be my last trade. Okay, so this will be my last trade, and I will start trading here. Okay, you can see the strong sellers entry. They are rejected on this level, which means the sellers are very strong here. You can see finally I took 5 trades with candlestick psychology. You can see the first trade I took here was because of this level. Let me show you. But because of this level, and I saw the seller's entry after these buyers. If there's no momentum here, I will go with buyers, but I saw a bullish momentum, so I know that the sellers too want to create a momentum, but this level is going to be a blockage for them. But when I saw that this candle closed here, it didn't reach this level, so I know that there must be a touch on this level. So that's why I placed put option, and place my trade with a safe entry, and the sellers entered. So that's why I placed put option, because there's a gap and the seller's movement. So that's why I placed put option. The second trade was because still on this level, the sellers couldn't cross this level. If the sellers cross this level, I will go with buyers. I will go with sellers again on the next candle, because already we can see rejections from buyers on this level. It means that this is buyers level. And again, we can see a reversal candlestick, inverted pin bar with upper rejection or lower rejection. You can see that this is a reversal candlestick at the buyers level. The reason why I say it's buyers level, because I can see rejection, so it's buyers level, and this is a sign of reversal, and the trend also is uptrend. So this is why I place, that is why I place call option. Okay, because of this level, and it didn't cross the level. Okay, I place put option here because of this level, so the candle crossed the level, so there must be a retracement to retest this level. Once there is a retracement to retest this level, that means the market is likely to go down. Okay, so I'm expecting a retracement. That's why I place put option here, and I place put option again because I was expecting the market to close above this level to go with buyers, but it later closed below. It's a sign that the sellers want to go more down in testing the previous level here. So that's why I place put option on the next candle. And again, you can see that the buyers quickly entered, so I know they want to be rejected on this level, because this is where the sellers enter. So that's why the candle was bearish candle. So that's why I placed put option. And I place put option again because still this candle is very weak, but this is the level, this is the next level. After they cross the previous level, this is the next level. That means the sellers will go more down and continue to this level. So that's why I placed put option. Again, the buyers still entered and they were rejected on this level. It means that they say strong sellers level. Okay, so that's why I placed put option. And you can see that when the candle reached this level, they were rejected. That's why the buyers entered. And the buyers entered when the buyers touch this level, the sellers enter, because this is previous sellers level. Okay, so this is how you can predict next candlestick, and I don't advise you to be trading most of the time on OTC market. This is my real account. You can see this is my real account, so if you have doubts, nothing concern me. This is my real account. You can see this is my real account. So some of you are having doubts if I'm really trading on demo. I'm not trading on demo. If I'm trading on demo, it's a waste of time for me. So I'm trading on real account. All my videos on YouTube are real accounts. Okay, this is how you can analyze the market, and this is how you can predict next candlestick. With candlestick psychology, you can beat OTC market. Okay, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.